In this video, you will learn how to create slick frosted glass effects with this quick Glassmorphism tutorial. Let's get into it. To start off, our HTML is really simple. We just need one div, and I just put a class of centered div. And then to a CSS, we're going to pick up universal selector and put a margin of 0, a padding of 0, box sizing, border box, and I just picked a random font from VS Code in case I want to add some text later. For our body, we're going to put a background image, and we're going to put a URL with our image and background position at center, background size cover, background attachment fixed, and background repeat, no repeat. And to center our div, we'll need a height of 100 viewport height, display a flex, justify content center, and align items center. For our centered div, we're going to put the class center div, and we're going to put a width of 400 pixels, height of 500 pixels, border radius of 10 pixels, and a background color of transparent and backdrop filter of blur 5 pixels. Here's the result: frosted, sleek, and ready to impress. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.